Now, here I am with some headings and paragraphs. You have to match the headings with the paragraph. I will do it for you as a practice so that you can understand better. Firstly, read the instruction. It is match the paragraph with one of the following three headings. Means you are given two paragraphs that you have to match with the three headings. Firstly, read the headings. How wildlife benefit from big trees, factors that enable tree to grow to a significant heights, how other plants can cause harm. Now read the paragraph for the first. This is paragraph 1. Big trees are incredibly important ecologically. For a start, they sustain countless other species. They provide shelter for many animals, and their trunks and branches can become gardens hung with green ferns, orchids and bromeliads coated with mosses and draped with vines. With their tall canopies basking in the sun, they capture vast amount of energy. This allows them to sustain much of the animal life in the forest. So now we have a look in the first paragraph. We read it and we have to now find which heading suit for the first paragraph. Let's go back to the headings. How wildlife benefit from big trees, factors that enable trees to grow, how other plants can cause harm. Now here they have already told big trees are incredibly important ecologically. They provide shelter for many animals and they capture vast amount of energy. This allows them to sustain much of the animal life in the forest. So here they are also talking for the benefits of from big trees, that how wildlife get benefited. So the answer will be first one. Now let's go to the second paragraph. Only a small number of tree species have the genetic capacity to grow really big. The mightiest are native to Northern America, but biggest trees grow all over the globe, from the tropics to the boreal forest of the high latitudes. To achieve giant structure, a tree needs three things: the right place to establish its seedling, good growing condition, and lots of time with low adult mortality. Disrupt any of these and you can lose your biggest tree. Factors that enable trees to grow to significant height, how other plants can cause. Now it is also very clear and simple that the answer is second heading for the second paragraph, because here they are asking for the factors that helps to tree to grow a significant height, and here they have given the factors that are right place to establish its seedling, good growing condition, and lots of time with low adult mortality. So you can find easily the headings of paragraph with the help of the synonyms and with the help of keywords. Like here synonym was used in the first, like benefits, synonym is important. Same like you can do more paragraphs. Now I will do one more heading and paragraph for you that are here. Choose the correct heading for paragraph A and B for the list of headings below. Means we are given two paragraphs A and B and we have to choose the heading from these headings given below. The first is temperature on earth. What is greenhouse? How is earth is greenhouse? Plants that grow in a greenhouse, earth's atmosphere. Why people have greenhouse? Let's read first paragraph. A greenhouse is a house made of glass. It has glass walls and a glass roof. People grow tomatoes and flowers and other plants in them. A greenhouse stays warm inside even during winter. Sunlight shines in the warm and plant and their inside. But the air heat is trapped by the glass and cannot escape. So during the daylight hours, it gets warmer and warmer inside a greenhouse and stay quite warm at night too. So the answer of this will be the second one. what is greenhouse, because the passage is about the greenhouse effect, so the first paragraph explains the meaning of word greenhouse. This is shown in the topic sentence and explained in the following sentence. The first paragraph does give information about plants in a greenhouse, that is fourth, that which plants are grown in the greenhouse, but this is only an example of how a greenhouse is used and not the aim of paragraph. So the answer will be second one. Now let's go to the next paragraph, that is paragraph B. Earth's atmosphere does the same thing as the greenhouse. Gases in the atmosphere such as carbon dioxide do what the roof of a greenhouse does. During the day, the sun shines through the atmosphere. Earth's surface warm up in the sunlight. At night, Earth's surface cools, releasing the heat back into the air, but some of the heat is trapped by the greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. This is what keeps our Earth a warm and comfortable 59°F on average. So, we read this passage and we have to find the answer. Let's see the answer. The answer could be, this is done. Temperature on Earth, how Earth is a greenhouse, plants that grow, Earth's atmosphere, why people have greenhouse. So, according to the paragraph, the answer will be how Earth is a greenhouse, because the second paragraph explains that Earth function the same way as greenhouse due to the gases in atmosphere. This is shown in the topic sentence. There is information about the temperature on Earth also, but only explain the greenhouse effect. Also there is information about the Earth's atmosphere, that is fifth one, but only it relates to the greenhouse effects. So what is greenhouse? It is the answer of first paragraph, and how Earth is a greenhouse, it is the answer of second paragraph according to the headings we have matched. So thank you and stay tuned for more videos like this.